Good morning, everybody. Happy holidays. It's that time of year when New Year's is rolling around the corner and people are wanting to make New Year's resolutions. So today we're going to present an incredible detox protocol. This is our intensive detox protocol, and we're going to go through it step by step, and we're going to give you the building blocks and the do's and the don'ts. So please watch this PowerPoint presentation, and we're going to get into it now. Thank you and happy holidays. Okay, so our comprehensive detox program is where we're going to start. So before you move on to the intensive dosing, we need to do a core comprehensive detox program. So there's really one key thing you need to monitor. As you start your detox, you're going to probably notice detox reactions. If those clear quickly and you achieve a level where you're pretty much free of detox reactions, then you can move on to the next level. So keep that in mind. And we would be happy to do a consult with you. If you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, please work with a practitioner. Okay, so the Hub Detox program is doing the Blue Z water with a vibration machine. Also, you could use a rebounder, you could jump rope, or you could go running. The key is to pump the cells after you drink the water. This intensifies the processing of the detox and also minimizes detox responses. Just like washing clothes, you wouldn't just throw soap in a laundry machine. You would need the agitator to properly wash clothes. If you just threw soap in the machine, walked away, and came back, you would have filthy water. And essentially that filthy water in a body is like filthy blood, and that's why people feel sick. So you must have the agitator. And we recommend the vibration machine because it covers a lot of other aspects of healing. So for now, we're just going to refer to the vibration machine. But you can jump rope, run, use the rebounder, and we recommend the vibration machine. Alrighty, so once you're acclimating to the regular dose of Blue Z water, you can move on to what we call is our intensive dosing. Now, just real quick, we want to go over what is Blue Z water. Here are the 5 benefits. Essentially, Blue Z water kills microbes. It pulls out all kinds of metals, chemicals, all kinds of toxins. It's an antioxidant therapy. Every time you do oxidative therapy, like ozone therapy, there is a byproduct to the burn. So if you're very, very healthy, let's say you go out for a 10-mile run, you're young, essentially you're processing the byproduct of this intense oxygen therapy. But as we get older, there's more byproduct. We call this oxidative stress. That's why people take antioxidants. The burn isn't working efficiently. Think of the byproduct real simply as soot and ashes after burning wood in a wood stove. With Blue Z water, it's a self-cleaning wood stove. When you open up your stove, there's no soot and no ashes. There are other products that do this, natural antioxidants. That's why people take a lot of antioxidants like vitamin C, classic, hydrogen water. There's a product called SOD. This is when we're young, we have a lot of that compound. Anyhow, it's pretty extraordinary that the Blue Z water actually is a pro-oxidant and antioxidant rolled into one. The trace mineral therapy is extremely important. Please read Dr. Nohima's book here, Mineral Deficiency and Illnesses. He goes into how incredibly important these trace minerals are in the Blue Z water. And he elaborates on the fact that the environment, the food, the soil is mineral deficient. So when you read this book, you're going to find out why minerals are so vital to human health. These trace minerals are extraordinary for healing the damaged cells, the genetic structure of cells. So please take a look at this book. Really, really incredible book. Structured water therapy means that essentially that you're getting, this is a truly hydrating water. So if let's say your skin was, when you look at the skin externally and it's all wrinkled or compromised, your skin would start to heal. Internally we have skin, it's called connective tissue. So essentially the lubricosity, the youthfulness of our connective tissue starts to heal. So structured water, you could Google that. There's a lot of information on structured water. Dr. Gerald Pollack here is an expert on structured water. You could follow this link. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the intensive dosing. I want to reiterate that we need to monitor detox reactions. So when we do this protocol, this is just vital. And please, unless you've had experience with this, work with a practitioner. We'd be happy to do work with you, so you can contact me, Andrew, at bluezeawater.com. Alrighty, so this is the max protocol. The max protocol is you're adding 1 teaspoon of Blue Z water per 100 pounds of body weight into 4 to 6 ounces of water. You drink this, and then 20 minutes later you follow up with 2 regular glasses of Blue Z water. So if you're 200 pounds, you're going to do 2 teaspoons of, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of Blue Z water to 4 to 6 ounces of water. Now, we'll just work with a 200-pound model. A teaspoon is 100 drops, 2 teaspoons is 200 drops. So you're going to work up gradually, so you might start with like 10 drops the first time. And what you're going to do is you're going to do this, drink 2 glasses of water 20 minutes later. Then you're going to get on the vibration machine for about 10 minutes. Then you're going to see how you feel. If you feel crystal clear, this is a safe dose. If you, after doing the vibration machine, you kind of feel a little sick, a little crappy, you actually should go down to 5 drops. If you feel really good for 3 or 4 hours and then you start to feel a little toxic, then you're probably at a good dose. You could just drink some more Blue Z water 3 or 4 hours later, regular Blue Z water, and get on the vibration machine and stay with that dose for about a week. If you feel totally clear and have no detox reactions, you could then push it up the next day. You know, instead of 5 or 10 drops, you can go 10 to 20 drops. So that's just the general protocol. Monitor your detox reactions. If you feel absolutely clear, you can go up. If you're feeling some detox reactions, stay there. If you're feeling strong detox reactions, go down. Always do the boosted dosage, the intensive dosage, followed up by 2 glasses of water, and then use the vibration machine, and then monitor after that. If you just do the boosted dosage and don't get on the vibration machine, you're really not processing. Once again, it's incredibly important to use the vibration machine or jump rope or run or use a rebounder to process your detox, to process the water and do a comprehensive detox. Alrighty, so that's the general protocol. We do sell a ready-made boost. It's convenient. You can bring it with work to you. If you're 200 pounds, you would do 4 of these at full throttle. If you're small, like 120 pounds, you would do 2 of these per session, and you would do it no more than twice a day. So this is the general protocol. It's a great protocol. It's great for the new year. If you do this on a regular basis, you will have an amazing amount of healing on the cellular level, pulling out a ton of toxins and healing your cellular body. If you have any questions, please contact me, Andrew, at bluezeawater.com. And once again, take a look at all our videos on the Maximize Your Blue Z Water program. We're going to do another video on a comprehensive antimicrobial protocol now that it's flu season, and some of the additional tools you can use and the synergies you can do. Have a great holiday season, and thank you very much.